So if you clicked on this video, you're probably looking for a Coinbase referral code that gets you that $10 sign-up bonus when you create your Coinbase account. So in order to get that $10 sign-up bonus, you're gonna need to use a special referral link to sign up for Coinbase. So what you can do is simply use the first link down below in the video description to sign up, or simply go to collectioncrypto.com/Coinbase, and then you can sign up using that link as well. Once you've created and verified your Coinbase account, you're gonna need to buy at least $100 worth of cryptocurrency within 180 days of creating your account to be eligible for that sign-up bonus. You don't need to buy it all at once though, so you can buy $50 worth of crypto now, and then a couple of weeks later you can buy another $50 worth of crypto, and then you still get the sign-up bonus because overall it will be $100 worth of crypto within a 180-day period. The bonus will then be paid out in Bitcoin, so the lower the price of Bitcoin is at the time of payout, the more Bitcoin you'll actually get deposited into your Coinbase account. Then if you want to get some more free Bitcoin using Coinbase, you can simply create your own referral link and send it to all of your friends who want to create a Coinbase account and buy some crypto. So then you get another $10 worth of Bitcoin whenever they buy $100 worth of crypto using your referral link. So in your Coinbase account, you can simply click on invite friends, then copy your referral link and send it to your friends. If you want me to show you how to set up your Coinbase account and buy your first cryptocurrency, I'll leave a link to this tutorial down below in the video description. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.